Welcome to the thrilling world of ride-on adventures. In this video, we'll introduce the Kidsmate Pro Racer electric ride-on bike, the perfect companion for young riders who love fun and excitement. Let's get started. Carefully cut the tapes and open the box. Gently take out all the components of the bike. Inside the package, you'll find the main bike body, charger, and a detailed user manual. Now, let's set it up. Insert the handlebar into the designated slot and push it until it locks securely. Attach the wheels to ensure a smooth and stable ride. Now, connect fitted for a safe and enjoyable ride. Now, your Kidsmate Pro Racer electric ride-on bike is ready to roll. This bike features a key start ignition, allowing kids to turn the key and begin their ride effortlessly. The Foot Accelerator and dual drive system provide smooth and easy control. It comes with an MP3 player, USB, and Bluetooth compatibility, so kids can enjoy their favorite music while riding. Bright LED lights and a functional horn add excitement and improve visibility. The rechargeable 6-volt 4.5 amp-hour battery ensures hours of uninterrupted fun. Made from high-quality plastic, the bike is lightweight yet sturdy, supporting up to 30 kilograms. The stable three-wheel design provides extra balance and security, making it safe for young riders aged 2 to 5 years. The Kidsmate Pro Racer electric ride-on bike is more than just a toy. It's an exciting way for kids to explore, gain confidence, and enjoy endless fun. Start the engine, hit the accelerator, and let the adventure begin.